This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 292RBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 32 feet 2 inches in length and features LP detector, slide-out, oven, smoke detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, stove-top burner, refrigerator, air conditioning, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 292RBK is 6,690 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.